Hi, good morning. This is Tommy, and this is Daily English Speaking Challenge. So if you're watching my video today, I challenge you to make a short video every day speaking about anything in your life in 1 minute, non-stop. Post it to social media with the hashtag Speak English with Tommy, then tag me there. So what do I have for you today? I'm at the beach right now. It's 5:30 in the morning. You know, this is what I love doing in the morning, you know. Look at the sun behind me, the sunrise behind me. Oh my God. You know, it reminds me of no matter how bad the current situation, no matter how terrible the night before, the sun rises no matter what. It rises no matter how dark the clouds are. So, your life is just the same. Whatever that you're going through right now will just go away, and your sun will rise. Remember, you only fail when you give up. But I know you won't. I know that you will keep rising like the sun. Alright, so I'm gonna go for a quick meditation, then hit the beach. You know, this is what I love doing in the morning. Sun gazing, meditating. It really clears my mind. You know, it's a time that I need in order to go back to my inner self, to feel me, and to be really present, to notice the little things around me, the beauty of the small things. That's it for today's video, and I can't wait to see your video. Have a great day.